people now? Guys, please reply in the chat box. Am I audible? Now am I audible? Okay, done, clear. Okay. What was I telling? I forgot. Border properties. After that, you also saw something like to add borders to the image. Yes or no? So what were the properties you were using to add borders, to add images to the border? You were using something called as border image source. Instead of source, you were using something called as URL. And then you learnt about border image slicing. Why border image slicing is important? When we use the property called as border image source, it will take only a part of the image. Yes or no? It will take only the part of the image. So now, if I want the complete image to get displayed, I will be using something called as border image slicing. And then you have to give two values to that. Yes or no? You have to give two values to that. After that, you use another one property called as border image width. Clear with this? Yes, done. Today we will see how to add borders to what? How to add borders to tables, iframes, images, and you have another one property called as border radius. You have another one property called as border radius. After that, we will learn about shadowing properties and margin and padding. Before that, let us see how to add borders to iframes. Okay, we'll see it practically directly. Yes, done. Online students following. My dear online students, are you people following? Yes. Shall we see it practically? Are you all really my students? Are you all really my students? Yes or no? What day today? ನನ್ನಂತ ನತದೃಷ್ಟ ಟೀಚರ್ ಇನ್ಯಾರು ಇಲ್ಲವೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ನವ್ಯ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. Okay. Is my screen visible? Yes. Screen visible. Online students, is the screen visible? Yes. Okay. So now we will see the very first one, that is called as what? We will see something called as border.html. Okay. ಯಾಕ್ರೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? I like the students who make noise, not like this. My other batch students are there. If I tell them to be quiet also, they'll not be quiet. Okay. So now we saw how to add images to the border. Yes or no? Now we will see how to add images to your what? Iframe. What is iframe? What is iframe? What is iframe? You don't answer. Let others answer. What is iframe, guys? Online students, what do you mean by iframe? Okay, to add external content. Okay. So now, inside this, I have taken the title as border. And now, inside this body element, what should I consider? What should I consider? First of all, ma'am, you said you want to add borders to which frame? Iframe. So now, let me consider one empty iframe. Let me consider one empty iframe. I'll save this. I'll go here. I'll run. Now, what will I get? What output will I get? I will get an empty iframe. Is it visible to you all? Pakka? Kanchana kanistidya elrigu? Okay. Can you see? When I just gave a tag name called as iframe, an empty iframe got created. Yes or no? Now for this iframe, what I want to add? Borders. Borders, you can add borders also. If you want, you can add image to that also. Okay. So now, if I want to add border to this image, inside which tag I have to write? Inside style tag, and inside the style tag. So what is the element I have to choose now? Iframe. So can I say that I am using the element selector here? Yes. So now I will take this iframe and I will say I want to give border to this, and I will give the width as 3 pixels, and let me give it as solid, and let me take the color as red. Okay. Ma'am, yavaglu red color tagotira. Red is my favorite color. Okay. Can you see? I added the border to the iframe. Now, can I add image to this border? Can I add? So, what property I have to use now? If I want to add image to that iframe, so I will be using border image source, and I have to use something called as URL. So, what is my image name? Gottilla ma'am. Download. Okay. So now let me save this, go back, refresh. What is happening? Why my border is not getting displayed now? Why my border is not? I first, for this iframe, I gave red color as the border. Yes or no? Now why that iframe is, why that border is not getting displayed? Because for that border, I have added image to that. For that border, I have added image to that. Now I am getting only these 4 dots. Yes or no? So if I have to get the complete image, what I have to do? I have to use something called as border, border image slice. Yes or no? So let me give 30, 20. Okay. Am I getting it? Am I getting the am I getting the image border here? Yes or no? So now, ma'am, inna doddada kanisbeku nange. What you will use? What you will use? You will use some property called as border. What? Border image width. And let me give it as 20 pixel. Now I'll go here and let me save this. Now am I getting it? Am I getting? Now tell me, is this my iframe or border? No. The iframe you are adding border. After that, for the same iframe, I added image. Yes or no? Yes. Clear with this? Okay, ma'am. For iframe, I understood how to add borders and how to add image also. Yes. Now let us see how to add borders to tables. Now first copy this one. Copy this one. Online students, clear with this? Online students, clear with this? You have any confusion in this one? Please do ask me now. Wish, understood? Where were you yesterday? You were doing laughing party. Then you went home. Where's your home? Where do you stay? Going to Rajaji Nagar, you took one full day. Vareva. Nammane ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಮುಂದೆನೆ ಮಲ್ಲೇಶ್ವರ. Going to Rajaji Nagar, you took one day leave. If you go to Nelmangla or something, will take 2 days. Huh? If you go, which is your native? For Ballari, you will take 1 vara. Done? Done. So now, I said that, okay, ma'am, iframe you created. Now I want to add tables. I want to add tables. So what tag I have to use? Which tag I have to use? I have to use the table tag. So now, let me use the tag name called as table. And inside this table, let me take the very first row. For the row, should I take TR? Yes or no? Now, if I want to add data to that, but for the first table, you are adding the first column. So I have to give TR or TH. TH, what is TH? Table heading. TH. Let me take this as name. Let me take this as name. And let me take another one TH and let me take it as yay. After name, other column, which one shall I take? Huh? Mobile number. Okay, mobile number I'll take. What you said, ma? Okay, I'll take roll number. Okay, done. I'll save this. That's all. That's all. You have to add data to it. Again, should I take TR? Yes or no? After that, I have to add data to it. So I have to take TD. And now, what name shall I take? Shall I take my own number? Name. Okay. Then let me take another one data and roll number. I don't know. I'll keep it as 2. Okay. I'll save this. I'll go back and I'll refresh. Now what is happening? Am I getting the border? Where should I add the border? Where should I add the border? Inside the table? Yes or no? So now let me go inside this table and let me add something called as border. Clear? Save. Go. Refresh. Am I getting the border? Am I getting the border? Am I getting the border? Yes. Ma'am, now for this for each cell, I want to add border. For each cell, you have table, complete table you have got. Yes, you have got the complete table. How many cells are there? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Ma'am, I want to add border to each cell, ma'am. How to add? You have to, this is called as TH, and the data which you are entering inside that is TD. Yes. So now, what type of selector I have to use now? I have to use a selector called as group selector. So I will say TH, comma TD, and inside this I will say give the border. Give the border. And for this border, let me give 4 pixel. Let me give dotted. And let me give color. Favorite color. Your favorite color. Blue. Which blue? Sky blue. Okay. Let me save this. Go back and refresh. Am I getting the border? Am I getting the border? Yes. Guys, if you people clearly observe, there are two lines. Two lines. Yes or no? Okay, I will write. Ma'am, nange kannu kanistilla. Okay, nanagu kannu kanistilla. Okay, let me go here and instead of dotted, let me take dashed. Let me save this, go back and refresh. Now a bit visible? Yes? Yes. Now, if you people observe here, this is one box, this is one box. Yes or no? This is one more box. Yes. This is one more box. And this is also. And this is also one more box. Yes or no? Don't you see two lines? Or okay, dotted you got. Let me show the same thing to you in solid format. 1 second. Let me remove this and let me take it as solid. Let me save this. Go back. Now, guys, if you people observe here, ma'am, there are two lines, ma'am. Can you see two lines? Yes or no? Ma'am, I want only one single line. See, whenever you people draw one table, how the table is? Whenever you people draw a table, whenever you people draw a table, how it will be? The same table if I draw, it will be like this. Yes, it will be like this. What is the difference between this table and spacing? And you have extra lines here. Yes or no? So now, ma'am, I want the table to be displayed in that manner. How to display? Which property you will be using? Which property you will be using? Which property? No. Text. Ma, this is border, not text. If you say for this one to text align, then you can use text align. Now, I want to change the border and I want to make it like this. So what you will do? What you will do, guys? So now, for that one, I will be using one property called as, you want the table to look in one single line, no? So now, I will say table, yes, and I will use one property called as border collapse, and I will give it as collapse. I'll save this. I'll go refresh. Now, how is my table? How is the table? There's a difference from my previous table to this table. Yes or no? Yes or no? Now, am I getting any border outside this table? Am I getting any two lines? Yes or no? You got it clear? So if I want the table to be displayed in one single line, what is the property you will be using? You will be using the property called as border collapse. And for that one, you are supposed to pass the value called as collapse. Clear? Done? So what are the different types of properties in border? Border style, border width, border color, border top style, top width, top color. Then you have something called as border collapse. Yes or no? Now you have, now if you people observe this, table, it is too sharp at the edges. Ma'am, I want it in round, ma'am. Round. Boys want everything round, no? So, table also, ma'am, I want it in round. The edges, it should be curved, ma'am. It should be curved. Yes or no? In boys' language, you call it as curve. Yes? So now how to make it as curve? So now, I will be using here only, I will be using something called as border radius. Border radius, and for this border radius, let me pass some value. How much value shall I pass? Shall I pass 40 pixel? I'll save this, go back and read. Okay, what happened here? Okay. For this one, you'll not get border. Sorry. Border radius, I'll teach you in margin and pattern. Okay. Clear with this? You have another one property called as border radius. That one I'll teach you. Okay. So now, Border, how to add border to iframe is over. How to add borders to table is also over. Now we will see what is this border radius. What is this border radius? Before that, you have one more thing left out, how to add borders to images. How will you add border to images? Guys, how will you add border to images? So now after this table tag, let me take one tag, that is your img tag. Yes or no? Yes or no? And I will use the attribute called as src, and here I will say, I will give the image name, and then let me close this. Okay. And now here I will go to this table. I will go to this table and I will say img, and for this img I want to add border. Border I will give 6 pixels, solid, and let me give plum. Save this, go back, refresh. Is it happening? Is it happening? Sorry. Yeah. Is it happening? Can I give the border to the images also? Yes. Yes or no? Now open your laptops and please try the same thing in your own laptops. Open the laptops. Code. This one you people will write, no? Board, you will write? Yeah, please. Yeah, right. There is 1 second. Now, 1 second, 1 second. Yeah. Now, can you see this image? Can you see this image? The corners are sharp. Yes. I want to make it in a curved manner. So then, now I will be using one property called as border radius. Okay. Inside which one I have to use? img tag, border radius, and let me give 50 pixels. I'll save this, go back. Can you see? Can you see, guys? The sharp corners are gone. Yes. How many ever pixel you want, you give. How many ever pixel you want, you give. Okay. But you have to use a property called as border radius. Clear? Done? You are writing the code? Guys, you are writing the code. Now remember one thing, not remember. You people have one task. You people have one task. What the task is, what the task is, can you display an image like this? You can draw. Trust me, you can draw. My drawing is very bad. Please don't mind. Correcta? Huh? Move by illa. Correct? Huh. Can you display this image for me? Can you display this image for me? How to do, I'll teach. After that, I'll teach you in margin and padding. I'll teach you in margin and padding. The task is you have to display the image like this. Okay? Clear? Done? Will do? Pakka? ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ತರ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ? Okay? Guys, why everyone is leaving the class and again joining? What is wrong? Charan, Teju, Uma, what happened? Why are you all leaving the class and again joining the class? Internet. Okay. Okay. Done with border properties. Border properties is clear. Now, let us see another properties called as shadowing properties. Let us see another one property called as, everyone stop typing in your laptops. 1 minute, not 1 minute, few minutes, listen to me. Okay. Border properties clear. How to add borders. That is in 3 types of styles. One is solid, dotted, dashed. How to add images to the border. And what else you learn? How to make the borders curved. Yes or no? How to add borders to tables. How to add borders to iframes. How to add borders to images all. Yes. You are clear with all the border properties. Yes. Now, let us see something called as shadowing properties. What do you mean by shadowing properties? What do you mean by shadowing properties? Barsilla nanu tirugisbidri page. What do you mean by shadowing properties? Reflection, some reflection, yes or no? So now, can you scroll down the image? Teju, just wait for some time. I'll give you the time to do it. So now, what I want to do, I want to add some shadows. Now, let me take the same table. Okay. Let me take the same table. The same table and the same image. I will add shadows to this one. Okay. For adding shadows, you people will be using one property called as, box shadow. You will be using one property called as box shadow. And in this box shadow property, you have to give 4 values. You have to give 4 values. What may be the 4 values? You have something called as horizontal offset value. Horizontal offset value. Then you have something called as vertical offset value. You have something called as vertical offset value. And you have something called as blur radius, not border radius. You have something called as blur radius. And at the last one, you have something called as color. So inside this box shadow property, how many values you're adding? The first one is horizontal offset value. Which is horizontal according to this table? This one is horizontal. Huh? This is horizontal. This is vertical. Okay. Next one is vertical offset value. And the third one is called as blur radius. And the fourth one, as usual, you people know something called as color. Okay. Now, I will give the values for all this. You people tell me what's the difference. Okay. Now, let me go back to the program again. For which one I have to add? Let me add. Can I add to the table? Yes or no? So, let me try adding to the table. Let me add it here only. I will use something called as box shadow and I will give 2 pixel, 2 pixel, 2 pixel, 2 pixel, and let me give red. I'll save this. Will I get the output? Wait, let me give some space here. Can you see here? Can you see? Have I added shadows? I have added shadows to the table. Yes or no? Guys, can you see here? Yes or no? So now, man, this side and all it's empty, man. This side and all it's empty. So what to do for that? What to do for that? You cannot do anything. It is displayed like that only. Okay. For border shadow properties, you will be giving vertical offset value, horizontal offset value, blur radius, and the color. Okay. Now, for table, you may not be understanding it clearly. Okay. Now, let me add to this image only. Where is this image? Okay. For this image, let me add something called as border. What is that border? Border shadow na box shadow na. It is box shadow and let me give 2 pixel. Same I'll give 2 pixel, 2 pixel, horizontal, vertical, and let me give. I'll save this. Go back. Refresh. For this one, can you see? For this one, can you see the shadow? Yes or no? The shadow is visible? Yes or no? Ma'am, what do you mean by this blur radius? Can you people tell me what do you mean by the blur radius? So what are the 4 different types of values you will be giving in box shadow properties? Vertical offset, horizontal offset, blur radius, and color. Okay. So you people can see the shadow which I have added to that. Yes. Now just carefully observe that. Carefully observe only the shadow. Wait for a second. Let me go here and let me change this to. Can you see? Yes or no? What is blur radius? What is blur radius? What do you mean by radius at least? Curve. The curve. For the same curve, am I getting it? Yes or no? So, as and when you increase the pixel size, your blur radius width will also keep on increasing. Clear? Done? Got to know how to add shadows to this? For shadowing property, you have only one property, that is nothing but box shadow properties. Clear? Clear? Done with this? Yes or no? Online students, clear. Ma'am, I have a doubt that why first image is blank. Which image? Purushottam, which image? This one. Purushottam. Purushottam. You mean the first one? See here, the first one is for an iframe. For that iframe, I have given the image. And the image, I have given it as a border. So only the complete image is not getting displayed. Only the border of that image is getting displayed. Yesterday, I said the same thing, na? Yes or no? Clear, Purushottam? Purushottam, clear? Purushottam, clear. Okay, done. For the tables also, can you add blur radius? Guys, for the table also, can you add blur radius? Shall we add? Yes or no? The people don't have mood today to study. Now I want to increase the blur radius. So what will I do? Let me just increase the size. That is nothing but your third value. Let me give 40 pixel. And I have added extra. Okay. And this one also, let me add 40 pixels. Let me save this. Go back and refresh. Can you see for that also? The shadow has been added. Yes, clear? But still, you people add it in a theme. Clear? Done? Online students, understanding? My dear online students, soon reply fast. Okay. Next one, you have something called as margin and padding. You have something called as margin and padding properties. Please take down. Please take down. Margin and padding properties. Margin and padding properties. Margin and padding properties. Yes? Done? Done. So now, my requirement in this is, I want to display one outer box. I want to display one outer box. And inside this outer box, I want one inner box. So I want a box inside a box. Okay. And inside this box, I want to write something called as welcome. Okay. I want an outer box. I want an inner box. And inside this inner box, I want to pass one control. That's only that one is not the requirement. We will see what is the requirement. Clear? Done? So now inside the body, let me take div tag. Let me take one div tag and inside this. So now the first div tag, I will mention class. Yes or no? If I have to get two box, either you want ID, you can use ID or you can use class also. For me, class is easy. I will use class selector. Clear? Clear? Please don't do it in your laptop. Quest, please. When I'm doing it, don't know you not understand. Then don't come to me asking, ma'am, I did not understand. Clear? Done? I will give you enough time. Okay. So now I will give class is equals to what is the first one I want? I want the outer class. Yes? Yes or no? So after this, what I want? After this, I want another one class. Yes. Inner class. So shall I write like this? Div class is equals to inner. Yes or no? Should I write like this only? And inside that inner class, I want one content. Inside this inner class, I want one content. What is that content? I want to type something called as welcome. Yes or no? I want to type something called as welcome. So I will say welcome. Come on. Now clear? Control S. Will I get the output now? Will I get the output? Yes or no? First of all, I will not get the output. Why I will not get the output? Ma'am, inside the style tag, you have not passed any styles, ma'am. But I will get only one thing. That is nothing but welcome. Yes. Now, let us go to our code and let us use the tag called as style tag. And inside the style tag, let us, first one we want for outer. We want the outer border. I will say what? Dot outer. We'll do like this. Okay. And then inside this, I will say border. I will say 4 pixels, solid, and I will say red. I'll save this. I'll go back. I'll read. Ma'am, no output, ma'am. Why? Guys, if you people observe here, HTML code is case sensitive. If you people observe here, this one, what I have mentioned, I have taken small o. Yes or no? What have I taken here? Capital O. So here I will take it as outer. I'll save this and go back and am I getting outer border? Ma'am, you said box, ma'am. I am getting the box. But it's the train tara hoಗ್ತಿದೆ. It is going like a train. I want it in a rectangular format. How to do? I have to give something called as height and width. Yes or no? I have to give something called as height, and let me give the height as 300 pixel. Okay. And then let me give the width as 400 pixel. Save this. Go back. Okay. Am I getting? Am I getting? That too for outer border. Ma'am, where is inner border? Have you mentioned inner class? No. So now go back to your program again and take another one class called as dot inner. Yes. And then here you mentioned something called as border. Yes. Let me take it as again 4 pixels. Let me take it as solid. Let me give the color as yellow. Okay. Yes. Shall I give the height and width? I'll give the same height and width. Ma'am, both are sticking to each other, ma'am. Yes or no? Ma'am, I want differentiation between inner border and outer border. So, just reduce the height and width of it. Clear? Clear, guys? So, now let me take this as 100, 200. And let me take this one as also 200. I'll save this. I'll go back and I'll... Am I getting? Karnataka flag agoitala? Yes? So you got it? Jai Karnataka hakla? Okay. Instead of welcome, he's saying, ma'am, put Jai Karnataka. Okay. Correct. Yes. Good. Good now? Yes. So now, okay, ma'am, you displayed the outer box also, you displayed the inner box also. Okay, then where is margin and padding in that? Now, my another requirement is, you can see this yellow box here. Inside this yellow box, you have one content. Inside this yellow box means inside this inner content, you have one, inside this inner element, you have one content. Yes or no? Now, I want this content to move this way. I want this content to move this way. Let's say, ma'am, use align text align and put it to center. No, I don't want. I don't want. I am saying that from the inner border, I have to move this content 20 pixels. See, when you people were using text align, when you people were using something called as text align and you put it to center, this will come in the center. Yes, true, correct. I'm not saying no for that. But do you know, okay, this content is displayed here. Do you know how much width you have here? What is the space you have left it? You don't know. So now I'm trying to give some space from the inner border to the content. From the inner border to the content, then I will be using the property called as padding. I will be using the property called as padding. Okay. So now, should I go to the outer content or inner content? Inner content, I will use padding from which side? Padding from left side or not? Padding, I will say left, I will say 20 pixels. I'll save this, go back, refresh. Can you see? A width of 20 pixel is given here. Yes or no? Ma'am, still not, I want to move, man. Who said no? Move. I'll go here and I'll say 40 pixels. Is it moving? Is it moving? Yes? Man, still it has got stuck, man. Still it has got stuck. Separated. Separated. Yes, I will separate it for separation of that, not for separation. See, this is called as your margin. This is called as your margin. So, if I have to move this inner border, if I have to move that inner border towards the right side, then I have to use margin property. I have to use margin property. That too from which side? Left side. Left side or right side? Which is left? This is left. This is right. Trust me, guys, still now also, I will once no, I'll just forget which is left and which is right. Trust me. Recently, 2 days back, I was going in an auto. My home is towards the right side. I'm saying, Anna, left togoli. Saying, Amma, he went to left. I'm thinking, why the hell is this person going to the left? ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಅಣ್ಣ ಈ ಕಡೆ he said ma adu left alla ma right amma. Oh correct. You know how I remember this left and right? I used to do this parade and all. There they used to say no, march first, left, right. Then only I remember, okay, this is left and this is left. Okay, so now I want to move this inner border from the left ella, from the left towards the right. Yes, so this is called as, if you have to move the margin, you will be using margin property. If you have to move the content, you will be using the padding property. Clear? Yes or no? So now, okay, ma'am, Insta Reels came true. Yes, Tejo. Okay, so now here I will be using one property called as margin left, and I will give 650 pixel. I'll save this, go back, refresh. Is it moving? Is it moving? So now you have got 50 pixels of width. Yes or no? Ma'am, ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಕಚ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು? Margin, you will be using one property called as, let me take this only. and let me remove this left and put top. Save this, go back, refresh. Am I getting? Yes. Now, ma'am, this has got stuck here, ma'am. Pull it down. I cannot pull it down. I have to use which property? Padding top. From the top, I have to move to the bottom. So I will be using something called as padding top. Yes or no? Okay, let me go here and I will say padding top and let me give 40 pixels. Save, go, refresh. Am I getting? Clear? Ma'am, for this one, can I add border radius? Yes or no? For this outer element, let me add something called as border radius and let me give 100 pixel. I'll save this, go back, refresh. Am I getting? Yes or no? Ma'am, I want it round, ma'am. How to give it as round? Let me give 500. Save, go back. Am I getting? You see here, it is becoming like omelette. Not omelette, it is becoming like egg. Yes or no? Yes. Ma'am, inner content also I want to do like that, ma'am. So how to do? Inner content I want to move, ma'am. Yes. Yes. Clear? Now tell me, you can draw this image now? Clearly? Pakka? You will do? Yes? Please do it. Understood with border, margin and padding properties? Yes. If you have to move the content, you will be using which property? Padding property. If you have to move the margin. So now, wait 1 second. Ma'am, I want to move this outer margin, ma'am. I want to move that outer margin. So what will I do? I'll go here and I will say margin, what? I will say margin left and let me say 80 pixel. Save this, go back, refresh. Move ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? Yes or no? Now will you display that image to me? ಪಕ್ಕ? ಕಿವಿ ಬರ್ದೇ ಇದ್ರು ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. At least this eyes, nose, mouth, hands, legs. Ma'am, there is no hands and legs, I know. But still, can you draw this for me? Yes or no? Yes, please do it. Online students, clear? My dear online students. Code. Okay, 1 second. Ma'am, how to push this circle up? How to push the circle up? Huh? Margin, bottom you will keep. Hey, yes, it's true. You will keep margin bottom only. Okay, let me display the code. Online students, please draw teddy bear only. Don't draw monsters. Don't draw skull. Krish, understood? Others, understood? Laughing ladies, understood? Hey, why Anita, right? Why is she not coming? Can you add shadow to that? Can you add shadow to that? You can add or you cannot add. Can I add shadow to that? Yes. Whatever you want, you do. But display it as a teddy bear only. Don't make it Dracula. Okay. Done. ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗಣೇಶ ಚಂದ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? Actually, you know why boys have not come today? Because they are busy in collecting Ganesha Chanda. Yes or no? True, boys? Boys? No boy in this class, sir. Okay, I'll consider that. No boys in this class. All are girls. Girls, you have company. You have company of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So all the 9 boys are girls. From today, call them with girls' name. Okay? Girls, okay na? Yes, ma'am. ಹಂಗೆ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಹಿಂದೆ ತಿರುಗ್ರಿ. ತಿರುಗ್ರಿ ಹಿಂದೆ. Turn back. Come on. Hey guys, turn. See, girls, turn back. ಹಂಗೆ ಆ ಹುಡುಗರು ಮುಖಗಳು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. From today, they are considered as girls. ನೋಡಿ ಇವಾಗ ಅಷ್ಟಂದ್ರೂ ಮಾನ ಮರ್ಯಾದೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಹಂಗೇ ಕೂತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Boys, you accept that you are girls? Hey, what is written there, da? ಮಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಬರ್ದಿದೆ? ಆಫ್ಲೈನ್ ಬಾಯ್, ಆನ್ಲೈನ್. ಏ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. Don't worry, Santosh. You are not girls. Only the offline boys are girls. Guys, are you people really understanding the classes? Huh? Any difficulties? No, ma'am, you are only the big difficult. ನೋಡಷ್ಟು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ರಿಪ್ಲೈ ಇಲ್ಲ. Guys, you don't like talking, waste talking to you. Utter waste. ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಹಿಂದೆ ತಿರುಗ್ರಿ. ಬಾಯ್ಸ್, ಅವ್ನ್ ನೋಡು. ಅಣ್ಣ ನೀನ್ ಬಾಯ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಅಣ್ಣ? ರೇ ಸರ್, ಆರೆಂಜ್ ಟೀ ಶರ್ಟ್. ನೀನ್ ಹುಡ್ಗ ತಾನೆ? ನೀನ್ ಹುಡ್ಗಾನೆ ತಾನೆ? ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ ಟರ್ನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಅಂತ. have they written in chat box ma? ಏನು ಏನ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಜಿಗುಪ್ಸೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ಯಂತೆ ಆ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಕಣ್ರೋ ಮಾ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ರಿಟನ್ ದೇರ್ ಹುಡುಗರಾಗಿ ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ ಜಿಗುಪ್ಸೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ಯಾ ಅಥವಾ ಹುಡುಗಿರಾಗಿ ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ ಜಿಗುಪ್ಸೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ಯಾ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದ್ ಕಣೋ ಹುಡುಗಾಗಿರೋನ್ ಹುಡುಗಿಯಾಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗು ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ ಜಿಗುಪ್ಸೆ ಹೊಟ್ಟೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ತೇಜಸ್ವಿ ನೀನ ಆಯ್ತು ತೇಜು ಹುಡುಗನ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡು ಜಿಗುಪ್ಸೆ ಹೊಟ್ಟೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಏನೋ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತವ್ರ ನೋಡಪ್ಪ ಇದು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತವ್ರೆ ಚಾಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ ನೀವೇ ಓದ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ನೀವೇ ನಗಾಡ್ರಿ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತೀನಿ Online students, are you people doing it or sleeping? Guys, for the ties also, please give spacing. Don't stick it. Don't stick each other, yaar. ಪಾಡಿಂಗ್ ಮೆಡಿಸಿನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಆಚೆಯಿಂದ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಮಾರ್ಜಿನ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡು, ಮಾರ್ಜಿನ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಪಿಕ್ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡು, ಇನ್ನೂ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕೊಡು, 500 ಕೊಡಿ. ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ತೋರಿಸಿ, ಅದೇ ಅದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ನಿಜ ಗೊಂಬೆನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ದೆವ್ವ ಗಿವ್ವ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ವಾವ್, ಸಣ್ಣ ಮೂವಿ ಯಾವುದು, ಕಣ್ಣಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟ ಫಲಕ್ಕೆ ಆ ಕಣ್ಣಕ್ಕೆ ಪಕ್ಕ ಕಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಲೆಗ್, ಈ ಲೆಗ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಲೆಕ್ಕ, ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾರ್ಜಿನ್ ಪ್ಯಾಡಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು 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 ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಇವಾಗ ರೈಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಾಟಮ್ ಇಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ಪುಷ್ ಮಾರ್ಜಿನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಪ್ಯಾಡಿಂಗ್. ನೀನೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಾ, ಒಂದ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಕ್ಕಾಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮೂಗ್ ಕೆಳಗ್ ಬಿದ್ದು ಹೋಗೈತಾ? ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಒಂದೊಂದು ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಒನ್ ಇನ್ನರ್, ನೀವು ಇನ್ನರ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇನ್ನ ಎರಡು ಇನ್ನರ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ನರ್ ಟೂ ಇನ್. ಇವಾಗ ಒಂದೊಂದಕ್ಕೂ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ, ತೆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟ. ಹಾ ಹಾ ಹಾ, ಯಾರೋ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದಾರ ನೋಡ್ರು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಮೆಂಟ್. Anu, really you have done this or you saying the picture? Guys, just see how it is. See, it is exactly like that only, no? Anu, very good, Anu. I loved it. Please do like this, no? Guys, please do like this. You can do it. There's nothing there. You have to just move. You have to use margin, padding, colors, whatever you want. Anu, it's very, very, very beautiful, Anu. Please do like this, guys. That is what is called as task. Very good, Anu. ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಶೇರ್ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಏನ್ ಹಾಕಿದಿರ ಅದ್ರೊಳಗೆ? ಟೆಡ್ಡಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಟೆಡ್ಡಿ. ವಾವ್. ಹಾ. ಓಹ್, ಇವ್ರು ನೋಡು ತ್ರಿಮೂರ್ತಿಗಳು ಒಂದೇ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಳ್ಳಾಡಿಸ್ತಾರೆ ನನ್ಗೆ. ಅಂತ ಕಳ್ರು ಒಂದಾದ್ರೂ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ನಮ್ 3 ಜನ ತ್ರಿಮೂರ್ತಿಗಳು ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಿ ವಿಷ್ಣಿ ಮಹೇಶ್ವರಿ ಒಂದೇ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು. ನಾನ್ ಏನ್ ಕೆದಕಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ್ರ. ಅಕ್ಕ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ತೋರ್ಸು, 3 ಜನ ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಅದ್ ಎಷ್ಟ್ ಮಟ್ಟಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ ಅಂತ. ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ತೋರ್ಸು. ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ತೋರ್ಸು, ಹಂಗೆ ತೋರ್ಸು. ಅದೇನದು 2 ಡ್ರಮ್ಮಿಂದ ನೀರ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಓಕೆ, ಸಮ್ ವಾಟ್ ಗುಡ್. ಯು ಓಕೆ, ಮೂಗು ಬಾಯಿ ಒಂದೇ ತರ ಇದೆ. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಹಾ ಸರಿ, ಯು ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಯು ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ತೋರ್ಸು. ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ಒಳಗಡೆ ತಲೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ಯಾ. ನೀನ್ ಕಣ್ಣು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ಯಾ. ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವು ಏನೋ ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ಯಾ ಉಲ್ಟಂ ಪಲ್ಟಾ. ಕಾಲ್ ಮೇಲಾಗೋಗಿದೆ, ಕೈ ಕೆಳಗ್ ಬಂದೆ, ಅಲ್ಲ ಕಣ್ ಬಿದೋಗಿದೆ. ನೀವು ಗುಡ್. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬಾಡಿ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗ ಮಾಡಿ. ha. Guru, what is that you have sent? You did that one, na? Hey, did you? Who? That is emoji. Guru, even you also do the same thing. I will also praise you. Why are you frowning for that? Guru. The picture you're seeing, how it is. Huh? ಏನ್ ನೋಡ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋಡ ಏನ್ ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೀನಿ, ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೋಡ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾನಂತೆ. Simply I thought, guys, that is the reason I said do the task by yourself. If you do it online, what is it you're learning? ಬೇಡ ನೀನ್ ನೋಡ್ಲು ಬೇಡ, ಹಂಗೆ ಮಾಡು. Everyone are doing the same thing, doing it online. Chat GPT. Job ಸಿಕ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ chat GPT am I not getting job ಮಕ್ಕಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? ಗೂಗಲ್ ಕ್ರೋಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ. ಬಾರ್ಡರ್ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಿಡ್ತು ಎಂದು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? ಬಾರ್ಡರ್ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ತೆಗಿ, ಬಿಡ್ತು ಹೈಟು ಬಿಡ್ತು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡು, ಹೋಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು? ಅಡ್ಡಡ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಾ ನಿಂಗೆ? ಅಡ್ಡಡ ಅಡ್ಡಡ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೌ ಡು ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು ಬಾರ್ಡರ್ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ನ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಬಾರ್ಡರ್ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡು, ಬಿಡ್ತು ಹೈಟು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡು, ಬಾರ್ಡರ್ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ಸು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡು. 100 ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನು ಹಂಗೆ ಶ್ರಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೈಟ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಬಿಡ್ತು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬಾರ್ದು. Guys, make a teddy bear, please, colorful. Don't make it look like ghost. ನಿನ್ನ ಕಣ್ಣು ಮೂಗು ಹತ್ರ ಬಂದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಕಾಲ್ ಬರಿತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಬರಿ ಬರಿ. ನೋಡು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಕೋಡ್ ನಾನೇ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಫೋಟೋ ತೆಗೆದು ಕಳ್ಸು. ಏಯ್ no, I do believe you have only done it. Online students ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಆಫ್ಲೈನ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ can you people impress me at least today? Every day you people will come listen to the class and you'll go. At least today impress me, not by doing ghost doing teddy bear. Teju, are you doing? Teju, Teju, yeah. ಇದು ಸ್ಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ಈ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ದೊಡ್ಡದು. ಮಾ ಲಾಫಿಂಗ್ ಲೇಡೀಸ್ ಏನ್ರೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಹಾ ಕೋಡ್ನ ಡಿಕೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಾ? ಇವಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಉದ್ರುಬಿಡ್ತು? ಯಾಕೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? ಒಂದೇ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ನಿಗೆ ರೈಟ್ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ತಾನೆ? ಸರಿ, ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಇಂದ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಮೂವ್ ಬೇಕು. ಪ್ಯಾಡಿಂಗ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಪಿಕ್ಸೆಲ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. 600, 700, 800 ಆ ಥರ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಔಟರ್ಗೇನು ಹಾಕೇ ಅಲ್ವಲ್ಲ. ಮೇಲೋಗಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡಿ. Yes, everyone, please scan your attendance. Everyone, online students, please scan your attendance. Okay, so what and all we learned today? We learned how to add borders to iframes, images, tables, then what is margin and padding property? Yes, clear? Tomorrow we will continue with the rest. Clear? Done? Those who have done scanning with the attendance, they can leave for the day. But tomorrow, please show the task which you people have done. Clear? Clear? Online students, clear? Online students, okay. If you have done scanning, you can leave for the day. Thank you all. Thank you so much, Prashant. Nothing, Teju. I said if you people have done scanning with your attendance, you can leave for the day. And tomorrow, when you're coming to the class, please complete the task. Okay? You can leave for the day.